Hey, what's up, Team MK Fitness? This is Coach Tony here for the in the kitchen for the month of February. Today, I want to show you all how to make a Ugandan Rolex. So this is a dish that's from the country of Uganda. All you'll need is flour tortillas. Now, the traditional recipe calls for chapati bread, but it's hard to find chapati bread here in the United States. So we're going to substitute with flour tortillas. So you'll need a tomato, an avocado, some chopped cabbage, chopped onion, and finely chopped cilantro. Now the recipe downstairs says coriander, so coriander is cilantro, same thing. Okay, so I've already pre-made part of the Ugandan Rolex. So what it is rolled egg. So if you ever done an omelet before, it's the same thing. So first thing you'll do is you'll take your chopped cabbage, your onion, also you'll need eggs, and your cilantro. So you'll crack 4 eggs in a bowl, and then you'll dump cilantro, onion, and cabbage, whisk them in a bowl, bring your skillet up to a medium heat, and throw some salt in there, and then you'll want to divide that portion into 2 portions so you can have two omelets. Once you have that done, then you'll be ready to build your Rolex. So we'll start first of all by cutting tomato, so I won't need this whole tomato, so we'll just, it says thinly sliced tomato, so we'll get, I don't know, maybe 4 slices. That looks thin enough for me. All right, set that aside. Okay, so I've got my tomato sliced, and then you want to dice an avocado, and I'm so strong, just like that. I've already pre-cut the avocado. So I'll take the spoon, get this avocado out of here. Let's go this way. I'm gonna break the spoon. Okay, it came out just perfectly. So we want to dice the avocado, get that part out of there. Looks like it's enough right there. Set that to the side. All right. So you want to warm your tortilla in a skillet, or even better in the microwave. Take your omelets that you've made. Okay, it should look something like this. Ooh, smell-o-vision. And we're going to place this omelet right on our tortilla. Put a couple slices of tomato on there, avocado, man, it looks delicious. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the cilantro, sprinkle it on there. All right, and then you're just gonna simply roll it up. And what you have here, let me get a good cross section here. Is a Ugandan Rolex. Let's give it a try. You can find this recipe, if you like this recipe, you can find it posted above the water fountain next to the men's locker room here at Team MK Fitness. And hope you like this, hope you try it out, and I hope you like it. It's delicious. We'll see you next time.